Check out one of our newer updates. We now have partial payments on invoices. This feature is going to allow your businesses to set a minimum percentage of the total invoice amount to be collected from your customers. This is going to provide flexibility and convenience for customers to pay in installments. Let's talk about those benefits. Well, first of all, this is going to add flexibility. Now your business can set that minimum percentage of the total invoice amount for any partial payments. It's also going to allow you to customize your invoices so that you can do this on both one-time and reoccurring invoices. It's also going to give you some added convenience, not only for you, but for your customers. Now your customers can pay any amount equal or greater than the set percentage. Now, ideally, we always want our customers to pay their invoices in full. But in those circumstances where it is not possible, this gives us another option. As far as practical use goes, now as a business owner, you can offer partial payments on invoices to make it easier for your customers to pay for services in installments. And this is going to improve customer satisfaction and cash flow. And this is really a great option for when you need to get as much in as you can, but you also need to give those customers the flexibility that they might really need. Let me show you exactly where this is located. First of all, you need to access invoice settings. So to do that, you're going to go to Payments, you're going to go to Invoices, and then you're going to select the gear icon, which is our settings icon. Now you're going to be able to set the percentage amount here. So that is going to be under Payment Settings, and you're going to allow for partial payments, and then you can set a specific percentage amount. Of course, don't forget to save. Now customers can pay any amount equal or greater than the percentage amount specified in the invoice. Here is where you can view the amount details. The partial payment feature enhances our system's invoicing capabilities, offering more flexibility and convenience for both your business and for your customers. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.